We have 6 ship's figureheads from the 1850s that come from Devonport Dockyard, and we are conserving and restoring them, and this is one of them. This is Cadmus. They're still owned by the Royal Navy. We believe, from talking to a researcher, there's approximately 200 surviving Royal Naval figureheads anywhere in the world, and they're going to be part of the box in Plymouth. Items like Cadmus, it was fiberglass whilst it was wet, so it has rotted inside. We've now removed all of the fiberglass covering from the figurehead. We've stabilised the timber with epoxy resin. We've scarfed in repairs to the original profile. There were segments of that left that we could recover. So this will be final finish now, and then it'll be mounted on a hook mount and displayed as part of this new display at the box. This is Basilisk. She's had quite a long history. The ship that she was part of had served in all sorts of foreign stations. During part of the conservation, we found that the shoulder pieces were loose, so we removed them, and we found termite damage within between the gap between the shoulder piece and the main torso of the figurehead. We've had that assessed by a museum pest specialist who confirms that is termite damage, but it's historic damage, and she must have picked this up as part of the ship when she was in service, probably in the West Indies. This is Sphinx, or we call it Sphinx, but it's from HMS Sphinx. And the carving on this is really quite fine carving. This fine figure is Centaur. He's quite an unusual and intricate shaped figurehead. When we came to strip them, we found details like the nails that are carved into the hand into such detail that you've even got the thumbnail is carved onto the finger, so you can feel the nail overhanging the end of the finger. They'll be displayed in the atrium as you come in, so you'll see these flight of figureheads from the floor level arched up to the ceiling. It's going to be quite an amazing display.